I am Sarah. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its applications. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into: ChatGPT. Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. As I mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? It is part of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, family, which has revolutionized natural language processing tasks. To understand how ChatGPT works, let's take a peek behind the scenes. ChatGPT undergoes a two-step process: pre-training and fine-tuning.